Now, in our World Championship preview this evening, or countdown, we look at Jamaica's history in the event. That's the 110 meters hurdles at the championships. Here is Simon Preston.
This is TVJ's Primetime Sports Road to Doha 2019.
Since the sprint hurdles for men were introduced to the World Championships at its inaugural staging in 1983, Jamaica has had a representative in every final since the 2005 edition. In that year, Jamaica's Maurice Wignall had to settle for 7th with a time of 13.47 seconds. 2 years later in Osaka, Japan, Wignall ended 8th with a time of 13.39. In Berlin in 2009, Wignall had an improved time of 13.31 in the final, but he still missed out on the medal as he ended 5th, while Dwight Thomas was 7th with 13.56. History was made in this race as Ryan Brathwaite of Barbados became the first man from the Caribbean to win the men's sprint hurdles at the World Championships. In 2011 in Daegu, South Korea, Thomas didn't finish the race after picking up an injury. In 2013 in Moscow, Russia, Andrew Riley ended 8th in 13.51 behind American David Oliver, who got the gold in 13 seconds flat. In 2015 in Beijing, China, Jamaica finally picked up their first medal in the history of the men's sprint hurdles as Hansel Parchment got the silver in a season's best of 13.03 seconds. Russian Sergei Shabenkov took the event in 12.98. Omar McLeod was 6th in 13.18. In London 2 years later, Jamaica finally got gold as Omar McLeod added the World Championships title to his Olympic and indoor crowns. Jamaica will be hoping to add to its medal tally in this event in Doha. Live and exclusive coverage of the 2019 edition of the IAAF World Championships can be seen on TVJ, TVJSN, and OneSpotMedia.com, with extensive radio coverage on Hits 92 FM.
That was TVJ's Primetime Sports Road to Doha 2019.